They say getting rich is hard. But what if I told you, the hardest part is starting from zero? Not zero money. Zero belief. Zero clarity. Zero system. This is the $0 to $1 million game plan nobody talks about. And I'm about to break it down. Let's go. Step 1. Accept that nobody is coming to save you. Not your boss. Not the government. No magic lottery. Wealth starts the moment you take full ownership. Step 2. Learn the language of money. Not just how to earn it. How to multiply it. Understand assets. Understand cash flow. Understand compound interest like your life depends on it, because it does. Step 3. Upgrade your circle. Surround yourself with people who talk goals, not gossip. Discipline, not drama. Investing, not impressing. Your environment is either your fuel or your anchor. Step 4. Build your high-income skill. This isn't about chasing trends. It's about creating value. Copywriting. Sales. YouTube. iTools. Choose one and go all in for 2 years. No skipping. No shiny objects. Step 5. Own your time. Trade time for money only as a bridge. The goal is freedom. Automate. Delegate. Invest. Let your systems and capital work even when you don't. Step 6. Master emotional control. Fear, greed, and doubt will ruin you faster than any market crash. Stay calm when others panic. Stay focused when others get lazy. Step 7. Stay broke while getting rich. Reinvest everything. Upgrade your habits, not your lifestyle. No $1 million car before the $1 million portfolio. Step 8. Build multiple income streams. But only after you've mastered the first one. 1 stream makes you survive. 2 make you stable. 3+ give you power. Step 9. Document your journey. Start a YouTube channel. Build your brand. Even if no one watches at first, you're building digital leverage. Step 10. Delay the lifestyle. Let compounding do the heavy lifting. 10 years of sacrifice can buy you 50 years of freedom. This is the playbook. No shortcuts. No fluff. Just discipline, leverage, and time. Most people won't follow this. They'll chase hype. Quit after 3 months. Blame the system. But if you're still watching, you're not most people. You're different. You're dangerous. You're about to change your life. So subscribe. And build your $1 million game plan, one decision at a time. Disclaimer. This video is not financial advice. Always do your own research before making investment decisions.